Hello mga ka-RAMPAge! Welcome back to my channel. And this is Joie once again. Expose yourself in the healing properties of nature as I explore the rich biodiversity of flora and fauna at Malagos Garden Resort. But before going further, to those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, and to those who are new to my channel, please like the video, click on the subscribe button, and hit on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga video uploads ko. Don't forget as well to share the video and feel free to leave your comments below. Brace yourself. Let's explore the best wildlife sanctuary in Davao City. Tara! Let's RAMPAge! Experience the healing properties of nature as you explore a host of activities that are guaranteed new normal safe. With enormous outdoor spaces brimming with a rich biodiversity of flora and fauna, all ages and abilities can confidently take on healing experience at Malagos Garden Resort. The Malagos Garden Resort is an agri-ecotourism destination which has welcomed travelers and families since 1994. With the concept of science in the park, all visitors will definitely enjoy various fun-filled activities that will make each visit worthwhile. In an effort to give you more experiences refined by nature, the resort expanded their services to a greater heights, and they had made their way into becoming a family-friendly resort in Davao City. This paradise is quietly nestled in the cool highlands of Barangay Malagos in Calinan, Davao City, in a sprawling 12-hectare nature-themed garden of towering forest trees and stately pine trees amid a rich diversity of plants and animals. This frequently visited destination in the city of Davao is 30 to 45-minute drive from the city proper and 32 kilometers away from Davao International Airport. Owned by the Puente Espina family, Malagos Garden Resort, boasting the vast land of Davao wonders, has parks, hotel, spa and restaurants in a single space, and offers educational entertainment, especially for kids. A fulfilling and exciting experience for people of all ages. It also houses a landscaped garden of assorted tropical plants, century-old durian and other fruit-bearing trees, rare orchids, palms and other ornamental plants, a bird park, a butterfly sanctuary, and a host of other wildlife species. The resort has a stunning butterfly sanctuary that is worth the visit. In a large net dome, one can interact and observe over 15 species of butterflies. You will see them in every stage of life, from an egg to an adult butterfly. The butterfly sanctuary consists of 5 net-covered domes connected by pathways and serves as an educational conservation center that teaches school children about biodiversity and how to preserve it. This ecologically minded facility raises species, collects endemic species, and breeds these butterflies for their continuous existence. Marvel in nature's raw beauty inside the butterfly sanctuary and experience reconnecting with nature unlike no other. Museo de Mariposa highlights different butterfly-related facts, trivia, items, and audio-visual presentations where you can discover the rich variety of butterfly species in our land. It appeals to most of the senses, but more importantly, it takes you to a whole new level of reconnection and recollection with a beautiful cycle of butterflies' life. From the beautiful butterflies, one must experience place in the resort is the bird feeding dome. Full of beautiful winged species, each one has their own to share. This place is home to free-flying endemic birds. Most of the birds are left to fly anywhere inside the wide bird dome. Be able to feed birds right at the palm of your hands and realize how peacefulness and gentleness nurtures our connection with nature. The unique experience in this bird dome is that the birds are people-oriented. They don't find strangers as a threat anymore to their territory. In fact, they love seeing new people, being fed with treats, and taking photos with them. One of the happiest sounds on earth is a healthy bird chirping and singing. They are very clever beings who require a safe home, appropriate nourishment, love, and care. Undeniably the kids' favorite and mine as well. Malagos Petting Zoo is a mini zoo for little kids that houses a variety of domesticated animals that they can pet and feed. This place houses donkeys, miniature horses, goats, sheep, and other farm animals. All animals at the resort are not captured to be utilized or to be amused at. All of them actually are rescue and domesticated animals that needs care for protection and preservation. On March 8, 2017, the resort opened the doors of the first ever chocolate museum in the country. This holds the wonderful colors of freshly picked cacaos and its tree-to-bar experience. The museum is divided into 4 sections with different activities. The museum section contains all the wonders of cacao, chocolates, and turning cacaos into chocolate. They have wonderful infographics and audio-visual presentations to teach everything about chocolates. The interactive zone is a space for children to play with Malagos' chocolatey body named Beanie. Sweet tooth and chocolate lovers will surely have fun at the chocolate bar section. They can choose from the various Malagos chocolate foods and eat all they can. At the chocolate laboratory, which I missed to get into, they will give a chance to curious minds to experience how to make their very own chocolate. You will not only learn more about where your favorite chocolates come from, but you will also be able to make one yourself, complete with all the nutty, sweet goodness you want. Besides, it is the chocolate factory, the chocolate cafe, and the infamous Malagos Chocolate Park where you can see ice creams, lollipops, and chocolate statues all over the area. What really constitutes the Koi Cafe's stroller-friendly ambience is the alfresco dining and excellent service that expresses a good vibe. One of the newest Instagrammable pond is situated at the Koi Cafe. Definitely the perfect element to give you the peace of mind. The calming sound of water that gently falls and kisses the rocks are awaiting your return. Other features of the resort includes a host of rare sculptural artworks of national artist Napoleon Abueva in a unique blend of art and nature. The garden houses over 60 sculptures of the national artist. It also houses the Mindanao Contemporary Art Gallery, where you will discover the rich culture of Mindanao through their art and history. No other place I have been to yet that puts eating, relaxing, and exploring together in one place than Malagos Garden Resort. No matter what kind of vacation anyone has planned, Malagos Garden Resort has it covered. From their farm to your table, and table to soul, the resort is committed to sustainable practices that are environment-friendly and put forward the well-being of the community. Truly, a unique blend of art, commerce, and nature amidst the cool mountain breeze of the highlands of Davao City. Malagos Garden Resort is one of the most visited tourist spots because it is a one-stop destination where you can appreciate wildlife while at the same time finding consolation in the place's serenity. It is encircled by a beautiful decorative scenery of forest and wildlife species, genuinely the best sanctuary. Only a Davao nature resort like Malagos Garden Resort has advocated to give back what nature has gifted to us through being nature-friendly and welcoming to wildlife that passes through the resort. Through this, wildlife accepts the resort as a friend who welcomes them in time of desperate needs.